Take a ride in the 2016 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, moonroof, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, backup camera, alloy wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.